My name is Greg Nix and I'm from Hendersonville, North Carolina. Our business is located about 6 miles east of Hendersonville, right in the heart of apple country. Our business is all apples. We grow apples, pack and ship them, and we also produce and ship apple cider. Almost my entire family is involved. My 2 daughters, my wife, and I have 1 son-in-law involved. Anytime that we can expand, we're looking to expand because our markets are greater than our production. We do work with other farmers, that helps a whole lot, but we like to produce as much of it as we possibly can. This is my 42nd year of growing apples, and 41 out of 42 years I have worked with either NC State College or a private consultant to implement IPM practices, which is integrated pest management. So we're only out there spraying when we need to be, and we also are very conscientious of the materials we use. We work with our local soil conservation office, and right now we are presently looking at the possibility of maybe doing some solar powered stuff. I see apple wedge packers growing in the future as we've upgraded along, and we've got a good team and neighbors that help us in many ways, and I think that's very important when you're in the farming business.